Hi, repeated multiplication. First activity is on power of powers, which is the power of powers rule. X raised to m whole raised to n is equal to x raised to mn. Mn means m into n. For any number x and any natural numbers m and n. Write these as a single power. An example is given: 3 square whole square into 9 raised to 4 is equal to 3 square whole square is 3 raised to 4. X raised to m whole raised to n is x raised to m into n. So 2 into 2 is 4. So 3 raised to 4 into. We have to write it as a single power. So this 9 is to be changed as 3 square. 3 square whole raised to 4. So 3 raised to 2 into 4 is 8. So 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 8. We have learned multiplication rule. X raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. So 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 8 is 3 raised to 4 plus 8. 3 raised to 12. Here 3 cube all cubed is equal to 3 raised to 3 into 3. Yes, 3 raised to 9. Then 5 raised to 4, 4 raised to 6, then 2 power 12 into 2 power 6, which is equal to 2 raised to 18. Using multiplication rule, 12 plus 6 is 18. Write each of these as powers of different numbers. 16. 16 is equal to 16 raised to 1. Then 16 we can write it as 4 into 4, which is equal to 4 square. Again 4 is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4 times. So 2 power 4. So 16 4 square 2 raised to 4. 64 is equal to 8 into 8, 8 square, 4 into 4 into 4. 64 can be written as 4 4s are 16, 16 into 4 is 64. So 4 cube. Again it is 2 raised to 6. Then 3 raised to 8. 3 multiplied by 3 8 times. Then taking 2 3's together we can write it as 9. Then again 2 3's are 3 into 3 9. In this way we can write it as 9 power 4. Then again taking 9 into 9 is 81. 81 into 81 is 81 square. And 81 into 81 is 6561. And if we are writing this using power of power rule, x raised to m whole raised to n is equal to x raised to m into n. 3 power 8 is equal to 3 square whole raised to 4. 8 is equal to 2 into 4, that we know. 3 square is 9. 9 power 4. Then we can write 8 as 4 into 2. So 3 raised to 8 is 3 raised to 4 whole power 2. 3 raised to 4 is 81. 81 square. 81 square is 6561. So in this way also we can write it. It will take less time. 4 power 4 is equal to, again expanding we will get it like this, and using the power of power rule we can write it more easily. 4 square whole square is 16 square 256. Similarly 4 is 2 square. 2 square raised to 4 is equal to 2 power 8. 5 raised to 4 is expanding we can write so, and using power of power rule 5 raised to 4 is equal to 5 square whole square 25 square, which is equal to 625. Third activity is 240 is equal to, we can write it as 16 into 15 is 2 power 4 into 3 into 5. We can list the factors like this. An example is given here, and the factors are, here it is 2 power 4. So the factors are, we can write here like this. Prime factorization of 240 we can get it like this. The factors of 240 are, here 1 is a factor of any number, then this 2, then this 2 square, then 2 cube, then 2 raised to 4, then multiplying each term by 3. 3 is a factor. So 3, then 2 into 3, multiplying 3 to this all these terms. We can write the second row like this. Again 5 is a factor. So 5 can write first, then multiplying each and every factor like this. We will get the next row, and the last row is 3 into 5. 3 into 5 and multiplying this, we'll get the last row, and the last number is 2 power 4 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 240. First number is 1 and the last number is this one. Now list the factors of these numbers below like this. The next activity is the project. To do that project, we have to find the number of factors also. So let us write it here itself. The number of factors of 240 is 20. Is there any relation between this exponents and this 20? Find it out and do the project yourself. The questions given, we can write this, rewrite the question as list the factors and also write the number of factors. The first one is 64. 64 we can prime factorize like this, that we have already learned. Otherwise 64 is equal to, we know 8 into 8 is 64. 8 is equal to 2 cubed. 2 cubed into 2 cubed is equal to 2 raised to 6. If we are able to write this number as a power of a prime number, it will be very easy to list the factors. Which are the factors of 2 raised to 6? The first factor is 1. For every number, the first factor is 1. Then 1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 6. How many factors are there? 7 factors. 5. 125. We can write it as 5 cubed. Then which are the factors of 5 cubed? 1, 5, 5 square, 5 cube. Number of factors 4. 48. 2 raised to 4 into 3. How will we list the factors? 1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4. Then next row 1 into 3, 2 into 3 in this way. So the number of factors is equal to 10. Here 5 into 2. Fourth one is 45. Write 45 as product of prime factors, which is equal to 3 square into 5. And the factors are 1, 3, 3 square, 5, 3 into 5, 3 square into 5. How many factors are there? 6. And here see, which is the power of this prime number? 2. And here the power is 1. And the number of factors is equal to 6. Fifth one is 105. 105 is equal to 3 into 7 into 5. Here first we can write it as 21 into 5, but this 21 is not a prime number. So 3 into 7 into 5. And we can list the factors. Which are the powers of these prime numbers? 1, 1, 1. And the number of factors is equal to 8. And we need these because the next one is a project. In this project, we have to see what is the relation between this 5 and the number of factors 6, this 4 and this number of factors 5, and this 3, 2, the powers 3, and this 2 and the number of factors 12, and we have done 5 more numbers. And we have to see, is there any relation between the numbers in exponents and the number of factors? do this project. The steps of project you have seen in the project last digit, isn't it? So do this project yourself. All the best. Thank you.